If you want to increase word size in MS Word, what you need to do is first select the text using your mouse or a keyboard. After selecting the text, you can right click on the text and go to fonts option here, and you will see the size here. You can select the size of the font, for example 16, or maybe you can increase the font size to 48 for example. You will see the preview and then click on OK. You can also change the font size by clicking on the A button here to increase the font size like this, and if you click on the next A button, the font size will decrease. If you want a specific size, you can also specify the size here, for example 40, and you can also click on the drop down and see the font sizes here. You can select any font size you want. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem, and don't forget to check out these useful videos related to MS Word. See you again in the next one.